Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am doing a little bit of maintenance on the Z4. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the spark plugs. Then that should be good as far as driving the car. I'm sure coil packs will go out at some point, in which case we'll have to replace those then, but I didn't think they needed it right now. So let's get started.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling out, yeah. About nothing, then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud.
All think that you're faking, but seeing ain't believing. I know now. I take all your stupid, burn it as my fuel, yeah. 'Cause we're running out of time, so I'm gonna make it mine.
The chosen one, I'm not the one to underestimate. I want the throne, I loan the crush, obstruction, rush through barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe Lexus, clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane. Feel the bass, baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah. Obstruction, rush through barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe Lexus, clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane. Feel the bass, baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah.
I got their opinions, and I got mine. I used to care what they said about me. Now I ain't got the time. Taking on me, take a seat, it's okay.
Okay, so update time. I'm at the new house. If you can't tell, this is a little bit of a different background, different driveway going on. but we are officially here. Super exciting. But as far as the Z4 goes, I just wanted to say that the car wasn't misfiring or anything. That's not why I changed the spark plugs. This car has 112K on it right now, and I just wanted to do plugs, and other maintenance items are on the list to do as well, just to make sure this car is prime, because obviously it's going to be driven very hard. But it is honestly starting way better. It is running way smoother. I didn't even think the spark plugs looked bad or anything like that, but it's running so much freaking better right now. I'm so happy. I can't even believe it, because it was just something I was doing as maintenance, and it's literally changed the car. So I think that's great. That's obviously great news. Car's driving so much better, so I figured I would give you guys a little cold start so you could hear it running better. And yeah, so let's go. This is like a true cold start. This car has not been driven in literally days, so yeah. I'm super stoked that the spark plugs have not only been maintenance, but actually helped this car run a lot better. Super stoked on that. There's still more maintenance stuff to do that I plan on doing in the future. Some more prep, because my first track day with this car, well, my first big track day, because I technically took it to a go-kart track, but my first big track day at Button Willow is coming up this Saturday. Super excited. I get to drive with my girlfriend Sally. She's a super freaking driver. She's so awesome. I'm so stoked. And I'm so stoked to take this car out. So I will see you guys very, very soon. A lot more content coming with this car. So I hope that you guys like it and are super excited to see this car get built, because that's what we're doing. So I'll see you guys super soon. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one.